Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope that you are well at your home. So, students, your third chapter, computer software, question answer and fill in the blanks of this chapter is completed. Yes. So today we shall discuss about the MCQ question and puzzle and that's your worksheet. Okay. Yes. So ready, student? So let's see MCQ question. Student, open the book, page number 30. First, see, tick the correct answer. So first, okay student, I will not write the question, only write the answer option. Okay, correct answer. So student, first MCQ is the first program loaded when you turn on the computer. Okay. So first question, the first program loaded when you turn on the computer. So option second, operating system software. Student. Okay. And second question is function of operating system. So what's the function of operating system, student? You know that operating system क्या function है? Managing information. So answer first. Managing information. Okay student. And third question is the example of operating system software. So here are four options. So logo, paint, word processor. This is application software. Okay student. So in this question asking to you the example of operating system software, that means Windows 7. First. Okay student. Windows 7 क्या है स्टूडेंट? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. ओके. एंड अदर वन लोगो, MS पेंट एंड वर्ड प्रोसेसर किस टाइप का सॉफ्टवेयर है स्टूडेंट? दिस इज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, इट हेल्प्स द यूजर एज ए टूल फॉर इजी ऑपरेशन. सो दैट फर्स्ट application software okay student, application software that help the user a tool for easy operation. And fifth, last, the software that helps you to write letter and paragraph. So student, you know that here are four options. So first option is logo. So logo is a application software, but this software used for the draw some figure. Okay. Yes, by command. And Second, word processor. Yes, word processor software student हम क्या करते हैं, कुछ लेटर टाइप कर सकते हैं एंड पैराग्राफ्स चेंज कर सकते हैं, ओके। और कैलकुलेटर यू नो दैट वाई यूज फॉर दैट। सो कैलकुलेटर स्टूडेंट मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए, एडिशन के लिए, ओके, यस, एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज पेंट। सो पेंट यूज फॉर ड्राइंग, ओके स्टूडेंट, यस। पेंट में हम क्या करते हैं, फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं, पिक्चर ड्रॉ करते हैं, ओके, यस। सो दैट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेकेंड, वर्ड processor. So word processor used for the right letter and paragraph. Okay student, clear? So take the correct answer in your book. And next question is puzzle time, that one, okay student. So look this question. Puzzle time. Question is cross every third letter and write below what you get. So look first, S O L F T G W A K R E. Okay students, that's letter have in first question of question. So cross the third letter and write below what you get. That means student आपको हर एक थर्ड लेटर को, ओके, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम फर्स्ट, आपको थर्ड लेटर क्या करना है, काउंट करके कट कर देना है एंड राइट बिलो व्हाट यू गेट। फिर आप देखते हो क्या एक नया वर्ड आता है। लुक हियर, फर्स्ट क्रॉस एवरी थर्ड लेटर, सो 1 2 3 कट दैट लेटर, अगेन 1 2 3 कट दैट लेटर, 1 2 3 कट। सो हाउ मेनी कट लेटर in the option 3, L G K. So look, write the left one, S O F T W A R. Look student, create a new letter and that's what software, okay, clear? And look again the second one, O P S E R G A T M I N S G. So cross every third letter, first third, that third, 1 2 3 that, 1 2 3 cut 4 letter here. So write down the other each left one letter, O P E R A T I N, okay. So what's the beginning letter word? Operating, okay, clear? And third M S R W O N R D. So cut that third letter and that. So what I make a new letter, MS Word. MS Word. Microsoft Word. And this is a application software, okay, used for that type, write the some text and paragraph, okay student. And next, so student, in second question, left the second one. So look that S Y W S T N E M. Cut that one. So system, make a system word. What will we make? System word, okay? Yes. So third, and fourth, W I S and D G O W M S. Cut that third letter, that third and that third. So V W I and D O W S. So what I make a new letter? Windows. Okay. And fifth, last puzzle, A P S P L G I C M A T S I O S N, and other one S O A F T B W A Q R E. Okay students, so look, third, cut the third letter. Okay, so A P P L I C A T I O N. Application, that one and that second. Cut the A, cut the B and cut the Q. So make a new word, soft, S O A F T W A R E. So application software. Okay student. Clear student? Puzzle section. And look, after this question, will we do the worksheet? Okay, that's computer worksheet. So look, so which student have that worksheet? So fill the correct answer in this place, fill in the blanks, and which student don't have that, so don't be panic. Okay, I will send the all page in your WhatsApp group. Okay student, yes. जिस स्टूडेंट के पास कंप्यूटर वर्कशीट है स्टूडेंट, वो स्टूडेंट आप फिल करो, ओके करेंगे, और जिनके पास नहीं है एक कॉपी बना लेंगे स्टूडेंट, और मैं ये पेज सेंड कर दूंगा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, आप राइट कर लेना. ओके स्टूडेंट, क्लियर? सो लुक द फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी. Activity first, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here is 5 questions in this section, student. So look the first question. Is a very important software. So write the answer. Operating system. Operating system. Operating system is a very important software. Okay. Yes. Without this software, you cannot open the computer. And in the other words, we can say that computer cannot open. Okay? Yes. And second, fill in the blanks button is known as the launch pad. So start button. Start button is known as the launch pad. And third, a file is a collection of data. So, third option, file. Okay? And full form of operating system, 4. So, operating system, you know that OS to form operating system. Okay? And hardware and software complementary to each other. COMPLIMENTARY. Okay, student? Let's complete your fill in the blanks. Activity 1. Okay, student? Note that. And look the question. What the question? Operating system is a very important software. That question. Okay? And start button is known as the launch pad, and a file is a collection of data, and operating full form of operating system is. So that's full form operating system. Okay, students. So please write the question in your notebook. And fifth, fill in the blanks. Hardware and software are complementary to each other. Okay, yes, so that's solve fill in the blanks with question. Okay, so student, in this worksheet, in this chapter have 4 activity. Okay, so one activity is completed. So look the other one activity, activity 2. So activity 2, write name any of write names of any 3 software. So first, second, third have here. So in first, MS Word, MS Word, Microsoft Word, and second MS Paint, and third software games. Okay, yes, so this is a activity 2 complete. Okay students, so make a separate copy for the worksheet. जो स्टूडेंट के पास वर्कशीट ये नहीं है, एक सेपरेट कॉपी बना लेंगे और इसमें एक्टिविटी आप क्वेश्चन आंसर एक्टिविटी का राइट करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो एक्टिविटी 1 and 2 are completed. So have other one activity 3 and 4. So we'll discuss about that in next class. Okay students, so please learn the question answer and write the question answer in your notebook. Thank you so much students. Have a good day.